Some years ago, there had been a question of having a place of prayer in Wales, but it was not to be, and what was not accepted in Wales was accepted in Ireland, and there was a providence therein. Erin, there is a home from home, an isle whereon an ancient eye did look and bid me tread, a planet far from Earth, where hours move on at rhythms of their own. For there 'tis said that in all time that is not enough, and eyes therein have moments yet to gaze at length. For in a land too rough for high finesse, greets yet in softer ways. And there's a place where there's a space for me to be a little loved, a little known, not in an anthill where the millions free creep on, from glances hid and noses shown, but in a little corner of the world that aeons missed when they were fast hard. Hail, Emerald Isle, sailing towards Ireland. And I thought not that I would see again the acres green, where grace worked well on me, 'tween storm and storm, 'tween pain and aching pain, where time its trace in trodden history left evermore. These gentle eyes, as blue as this deep sea, bid once goodbye, and bid me come again, cross these same skies, by dint of engines technic madly high. O Erin, come to view, and call me home to simple things, to warmth made not of woe. Alas, the day that dawned and bid me roam from goodness of a kind few kindreds know. Alas, alas, we travel hurriedly, or moments offered once, and bid not be.